Like major towns, cities, and settlements in Yoruba land, Iba, a sleepy yet promising settlement sandwiched between Ikirun and Inisha in Ifelodun local government area of Osun State, traces its genealogy to the cradle of human civilization, Ile-Ife.
Iba was founded by a prince of Obalufo from Ile-Ife called Akerewa Boimwe more than 500 years ago. When Akerewa Boimwe was coming from Ife and settled at a place somewhere there called the Akpaola, to shorten it now to Akpala.
That market center where you see that small rock is where he first settled. There was one image there that he used to go there to hide himself. He called it Ibuba. From that Ibuba come to Iba. The name is Iba, where one is settled, and later on changed to Iba.
To a child who has never had the opportunity of visiting any other farmstead beside his father's, he sometimes erroneously assumes his father's is the largest. Although not listed among the 5 famous and most visited rocks in Nigeria, such as Oluma Rock in Abeokuta, the state capital, Aso Rock, Abuja, Zuma Rock, Niger State, Riyom Rock, and Wase Rock of Plateau State, Iba is a city of indomitable rocks of mystical, historical, cultural, and spiritual significance.
Okeleyele, Otadu, Aduobo, Aberebo.
In all, there are unarguably 21 rocks for tourists, archaeologists, historians, mountaineers, fun-loving individuals and groups to explore. For cultural researchers, there are loads and loads of unadulterated Yoruba cultural practices still in vogue in Iba. Concerned about the deleterious effects of globalization, nay, westernization, on traditional African culture, particularly the Yoruba culture, the Eburu Oba Adekunle Adeogun came up with Eburu Adekunle Yoruba Cultural Renaissance Program aimed at reconnecting with our roots. The maiden edition of Oriki Yoruba, held last year, showcased in grand style the best of Yoruba panegyrics, Oriki. Come December 9th, 10th, and 11th, an array of celebrated and upcoming Oriki Yoruba chanters and thespians will converge in Iba for the 2nd anniversary of Eburu Adekunle Yoruba Cultural Renaissance.
When people chant Oriki, it can tell the history of a given lineage of people, things they've done in the past. And we realize that that aspect, rich aspect of our culture is, was dying. And we decided that we should resuscitate it.
Gbogbo ládéládé káàkiri gbogbo lẹ̀ Yorùbá ni yọmọ wà níbẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ ọ̀hún. Ẹ dákun ẹ máa bọ̀ kájí ìjọ wa gbádùn ara wa. Mo ní àṣà ò lè parun lójú mi láyé o.
Iba certainly is the place to be for a memorable end-of-the-year celebration. You must savor the rich flora and fauna of Iba land.
Èèyàn tó bá sọ lẹ́nu ó ṣàkóyakọ bí àgbẹ̀ bá sọ òkònà àgbọ́sàpò ebi ẹ má gbàgbé ti ìbílẹ̀ bàbá wa torí tẹnitẹni tèkísà ń ta dàn nani ohun adílà nani asẹ́gìtà nani ògì àkwarapá nani ìtọ́ ẹ máa bọ̀ kẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ àjọṣe o oríkì orílẹ̀-èdè.